today we're gonna do pink is the funniest or the blue is funniest. So look at this blue. So you see on my hands, like you put the blue like flat, and look, the blue is interesting. The green, sorry. The green is so interesting, you see. So let's try the pink now. So the pink is my favorite color. And look here. It makes purple. And the blue doesn't even make anything. Interesting. So let's just move on. So I'm going to get a cup. Sorry guys. So I got a cup. And let's see what the pink one does. Let's get on. So we are going to squish the pink one. Squishity squish. Oh, this is fun. Now I'm going to put that there. And let's see what this does. Sorry, the cup fell down. So that one failed. So let's try again. We did make a video of the failing video that I failed making slime with the other glue, like glue that failed. So let's hear this. Let's just move on to get a new cup because this cup is not working at all. Guys, so let's move on and get another cup. So I'm thinking for this cup because this cup is much more bigger to see. So let's get the pink and get started. So let's put the pink. Did you hear the pink? Let's just take that off. Now that was really funny. You had to see that, it was so funny. Now let's try the green slime. Now let's first try it in the blue cup because the blue this green really thought it's funny. Wait, this one. Oh. You need to already see this, guys. It's so funny. Now let's try it. So that's what you do. No, not that. What?
Because it's too long.
No, one more. And let's see how these two go like this. So let's see, they first is like this. So let's give this one a break. Interesting, because this one does that. And let's see the other part. Oh my! Let's try this one now. Wow, this one's much more interesting. Let's try this one again. Oh my! Well, bye!